Jody, see, I want to show you. This is a boiler, a big one. I don't know how many gallons or liters, but it's heavy and it's very, very easy to transport with this bicycle. And see what I found. Actually, over there, I saw a flag, Ukrainian flag. Someone is either supporting or leaving Ukrainians or supporting the Ukrainian. And actually, over the flag, there is the Bulgarian flag. Over the first flag is the Bulgarian flag. So probably someone is pissed off because of the flag. Okay, and I want to show you, see what I found. So this Tom Bearden was talking about a guy who went to a workshop when he was, I told you probably several times, he went to a workshop when he was a teenager or in his early teenage years to this, how it's called, the Navy air base. And there were hangars, or how it's called, for airplanes, and one of them was always closed with soldiers, just with a soldier. And once it was opened, the soldier was missing, and went in and saw a UFO, and started to search for the control panels, knobs or whatever, switches, some, I don't know, wheels, something to turn, to push, but there were none of these, only some kind of, I don't know, some kind of screens. So it's psycho-physical. With psyche, I mean with thought, you can control real physical processes. And he said that he started to search for the what is called the battery, or the source of energy, and the pushing force, the source that manipulates the ether so that it can lift, it can turn at insane speeds, because inertia is also manipulated. And inertia, when it's manipulated, every single atom is turning with the UFO. So there are no inertia forces, centrifugal forces, no such things, as if people are not moving at all. And he found that the source of energy comes from two toruses going one within another, like this. One goes through the center of the other. And actually there is one force going like this, and another going like this. And actually there is a force going like this or like this, I do not know. But probably if it's going like this, I don't know. Probably if it's going like this, it will be like this. If it's going like this, it will be like this. Because it's a kind of pumping. Okay. Actually, this this torus is not only turning, but it's going inside out, so to say. So it's going like this, and it's pumping the ether in this direction, sucking it from here and pumping it downwards. If it's going like this, it's pumping it like and this force is inducing turning force, such force, in this toroid, which goes to its center. And this force, obviously, is when you have this. Okay, when the ether goes into the earth, you can see it in the video Mir North Pole. It's Russian former, the Russian former space station Mir, North Pole, or whole Earth, or something like that. And it shows how the ether is going into the Earth, like that, turning like that. So it's right hand, right turn, right spiral, right screw, so to say. It goes like this. So obviously when the ether is going this way, it makes things turn when the ether goes. And when ether goes, it's probably ether is also the gravity is ether because of this. The center of the earth is not attracting trees or cars or buildings or whatever. The ether is going like rain and is pushing them. And because of the turning of the earth and everything, you can see the very vortex of the ether on the north geomagnetical pole, not geographical, not magnetical, but the third pair of poles is geomagnetical pole, the third. And you can see how it's going. Actually, you can see the capital city of Kazakhstan, Astana, I think. Astana, or something like that. It's a capital city. You can see the logo, how to say it, the logo of the. Okay, I don't know how it's called in English, but coat of arms or whatever it's called. It's of this city. It shows the ether going down. It's the earth, showing the earth. But it's probably a little bit occult, I mean pagan, I mean satanic, because there are 33 dots, and 33 is, you know what is 33? It's 33%, which is 1/3 of the fallen angels, and so it's technology, but in the same time it's pagan religion. So it's ancient pagan religion and ancient technology. And when the ether is going, obviously, like this, it obviously turns like this. And when it turns like this, something, I don't know what, it turns like this. And when it turns like this, it pumps and enhances the going of the ether like this. So it's self-propelling, self-enhancing process. And when you have two toroids, obviously you are catching this thing, which we are catching this thing, which turns into such thing in the second toroid. Turns into this, which in turn turns into like this. So you probably, if you find some I don't know, metal toroids, probably you have to experiment with the hole and with the thickness, with the diameter. Probably, I have no idea, even the direction, if they're like this or if they're like this, I don't know. I mean horizontal or vertical, because the gravity is like rain and it's going like this. So not to contradict gravity, probably if you turn it, it will stop working, like many free energy devices. Okay.